Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Takagi Tankless water heater is not producing any hot water, it can be frustrating because everything may seem powered on, yet you're only getting cold water. This issue can feel serious, but in many cases, it's caused by simple factors like low water flow, gas supply issues, or system settings rather than a major malfunction. Tankless water heaters rely on proper flow and ignition to heat water instantly, so even a small disruption can stop the heating process. The system is also designed with safety features that prevent operation if something isn't right, which can make it seem like it's not working at all. So, guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the no hot water issue and get your Takagi heater working again. Try these. Step 1. Ensure proper water flow by opening the tap fully. Step 2. Check that the gas supply is on and functioning properly. Step 3. Turn the unit off and back on to reset the system. Step 4. Inspect air intake and exhaust vents for any blockage. Step 5. Adjust the temperature settings on the control panel. Step 6. Test the heater again to confirm hot water is restored.